Hey guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about makeup basics, how one can build a makeup kit from scratch. If you are a beginner at makeup, then this is going to be really helpful for you. And we are going to talk about some essentials, must-haves, and obviously I'm going to suggest things that will not burn a hole in your pocket and is essential for a beginner at makeup. And I remember my makeup journey started when I was in my adolescence age, and the only thing that I had that time was a Kajal. And such way back then I used to think, after watching pictures of actresses and those movies, I used to think how they look so cute and how they look so glowy and pinky cheeks naturally. But later on I got to know that there are some things that exist like blushes, bronzers and highlighters that make them look that way. So yeah, I hope if you're a beginner, then this is going to be really helpful to kickstart your makeup journey. Now without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I think deserves to be on the first is Kajal, and I think it will make a rush of nostalgia in your head, and we relate to Kajal so damn much. I mean, a lot. And whenever you want to look different, something like different or a different vibe, Kajal is a go-to. So I decided to put this in must-haves of a beginner. And yes, I know that really well that we can experiment with it, or we can go traditional on it. We can create coal eye makeup look or smoky eye look, or just simply on your waterline in just 5-7 minutes, and that's good to go. Other than that, I know that even if you spend a lot on your Kajal, it will smudge after 7 to 8 hours, no matter how expensive your Kajal is. So there's no point of spending a lot of money on high-end Kajal. Better stick to drugstore products. Drugstore Kajal, the one that I use is from Maybelline. It's Colossal Kajal, and it's for 160 or 170. And other than this, the Kajal I use otherwise is Blue Heaven. It's from Blue Heaven, and it is for around 50 to 75 rupees and does the job equally good, and it's really dark. And I think most of you must have seen that in my videos as well. And the next must have for your makeup kit is an eyeliner. No matter how thin, thick, winged, properly winged, or aisa waisa kaisa bhi winged, it will accentuate the beauty of your eyes. And the eyeliner I swear by is from Lakme Liner, and I know a lot of girls put eyeliners even before Kajal in priority order, and I really love this liner, and it's too good, too dark and affordable at the same time. Apart from that, you can also use pen liners that comes really easy and handy while application. The one that I have is from Maybelline. It is the Colossal liner. It is quite onto the expensive side, but anyways, we have a lot of options available as well, so you can do research about it. And one that I would highly suggest is this one, Lakme Liner. It is too good and affordable, just for 130 or 140 rupees. Next essential for a beginner's makeup kit is mascara, and we all know that mascara holds a lot of benefit in making our simple eye makeup or simple makeup look fresh. And there are a lot of brands out there whose mascaras comes really affordable, लेकिन वो अपना properly job नहीं कर पाता. So it's better to spend a decent amount of money on good brands. The one that I would highly suggest is from Maybelline. It's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara, and Maybelline has a lot of mascaras, Hyper Curl, Colossal, Lash Sensational, and all of them are equally good. But I suggested this one in this video because it's about the price. You can get it for 275 rupees in sales. So I think it's super affordable and does the work super well, and I think once you'll apply it, you'll fall in love with this mascara. Next up on the list is CC Creme, and I know a lot of us are college going peeps, and either we go SE, soke utke, or at max what we apply is CC Creme. So I thought this is kind of a must-have sort of for a beginner. And the one that I use is this Lakme Cc Cream, this chotu sa tube. Other than that, the BB cream that you can use is from Pond's BB cream में कुछ SPF भी होता है, so that will work really well for you. And both of them are extremely affordable. It's from like 100 or 120 rupees and works really well. Another product which is very essential for building your makeup kit as a beginner is foundation. And I know we do not use foundation on a daily basis, obviously, but for parties it comes really helpful for you to make you look beautiful in your natural skin. And do not experiment a lot with the foundation. Always use foundations from good brand, as they are really close to your natural skin. And a foundation from some cheap brands will make your makeup look cakey and will harm your skin as well. The foundations that I use are these two, one from Lakme and the other one is from Maybelline, and they are for like 350 to 400 rupees and works really well in making your natural skin even more beautiful. Now, lipsticks and shades that are sort of must-haves for a beginner are nude and red shade, bright red shade. Later on, you can experiment a lot on shades and all, but just to start out, reds and nudes are the best. And when I started my makeup journey, the red lipstick that I swear by that time was from L18, and मेरे पास अभी भी है वो lipstick. It is L18 Colourpop matte lipstick and the shade is cherry red. And मैंने ये अभी तक संभाल के रखा है क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा सा shade है, and you can definitely try out LED lipsticks if you are looking out for affordable options. But on the other hand, if you're ready to spend decent amount of money, then you can try out Maybelline creamy matte lipsticks. The nude and reds I swear by from Maybelline are these two, Nude Nuance and Cosmopolitan Red, the one that I'm wearing right here, and both of them are so good, and it's for 275 rupees each. Sales may you can get it for even cheaper ones, and yeah, that's so good. And the next must-have product is an eyeshadow palette, and as a beginner आपके पास एक eyeshadow palette तो होनी ही चाहिए since you have to create a lot of looks. So the one that I'm going to suggest is really good, and this one is from Wet n Wild. The shade is Rose in the Air, and this eyeshadow palette is for 499. In sales you can get it for 400, 425 around that, but इससे नीचे नहीं जाता इसका price, and it is really good. Why I'm saying that? Because it has a lot of browns, maroons, golden for your inner corners, and two different pinks, one on a dark note and the other one on a very lighter side, so it will work really well in creating a lot of looks. So this itself is a lot of eyeshadows, and once you have used it, then there's no looking back. You'll create different looks out of this only, and later on you can switch to bigger palettes. And the last must-have product for a beginner is this really cute box from Wet n Wild. The shade is Newcomer, and it is a glittery eyeshadow, more like an eyeshadow. But why am I suggesting it here is because it's really difficult to find an affordable highlighter, so it's better to find an alternative to it. So I think this one works really well as an highlighter and stays really long, and the price of this Q's mini box is just around 95 or 100 rupees, so it comes really affordable. And as a beginner आप इससे start कर सकते हो. Later on you can switch to highlighters from brands like Lakme or Maybelline and all of it. So that was it for today's video, and I just hope you all enjoyed and found this helpful, and I'll mention the link to each and every product that I've talked about in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check that as well. Give this video a thumbs up, and please comment down more video ideas and suggestions. I love reading them all. And follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_, and please subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. Ta-da!